The CORSAIR 5000X RGB case turns your PC build into a showpiece. With tempered glass on all four sides, it beautifully displays your components and vibrant RGB lighting. This case isn't just about looks, it offers plenty of space and flexibility to keep your system cool under pressure. What sets the 5000X apart is its ability to mount multiple 360mm radiators, making it a breeze to customize your cooling setup. Whether you're pushing your system with gaming or heavy workloads, the airflow remains optimized, thanks to three included 120mm CORSAIR SP RGB ELITE fans. These fans feature AirGuide anti-vortex vanes that focus airflow exactly where it's needed most. Each fan comes with 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs, giving you brilliant lighting that you can fully control. The included iCUE lighting node core and CORSAIR iCUE software let you synchronize up to 6 fans right out of the box. This means your PC won't just run cool, it'll look spectacular doing it. Cable management is often a headache, but the 5000X makes it effortless. CORSAIR's Rapid Route system channels your major cables through a hidden pathway with a roomy 25mm space behind the motherboard tray. This keeps your build clean, improves airflow, and saves you time during assembly. Users from the United States praise this case for its spacious interior and stunning design. One review highlights how it's worth every penny if your budget allows, especially when paired with plenty of fans for optimal cooling. It's a solid choice for anyone serious about both aesthetics and performance. If you want a case that balances style, cooling power, and ease of build, the CORSAIR 5000X RGB deserves a look. It's designed to showcase your components while giving you the flexibility to create a high-performance system that stays cool under pressure. Try the 5000X when you're ready to upgrade your setup. With its combination of stunning tempered glass, superior airflow, and smart cable management, it's a case that delivers what matters most: a cool, clean, and captivating PC build.